Hi, welcome to DCA. So these days when we started with the online course, I received some of the requests from Combined Defense Services as well as the NDA exam aspirants for the geography classes, right? Because geography is an integral part of CDS as well as NDA exam, both conducted by UPSC, including the CAPF part as well, right? So 3 exams. So more or less geography remains same for the UPSC point of view, because UPSC questions are slightly standard comparative to the SSC or other examinations, right? So we have thought that since we are going on with the geography classes, right? So we thought that how can I help you out, right? What can I offer for you, right? So we have planned that the geography classes can be exclusively given to all of you those who are aspiring, right? Of course, it's not free, of course, right? It takes effort to teach actually, right? So this is exclusive geography classes for 2021 exams, whether it is NDA, CDS or CAPF. So those who are planning to write especially CDS exam in February and NDA exam in the upcoming 2021. So this will be completely online mode right now, consisting of around 30 plus sessions, right? So classes will be live. So let's suppose classes are held in the morning, the live session where we can interact as well. Recordings of that will be automatically available to you after 5-6 hours in your app portal, the DCA app, right? You can watch the recordings n number of time. Aap 4 बार देखें, 5 बार देखें, doesn't matter. Study material is also available on that app, right? Study material will not be downloadable. आप उसको पढ़ सकते हो. Assignments will be downloadable, जो आप download करके solve कीजिए, and we will discuss in the classroom as well, right? So approximately 30 plus sessions will be required in this as per UPSC point of view. Of course, we need some more, but इतने में हम UPSC की कहानी लगभग कर सकते हैं. I cannot say that it's 100% exhaustive coverage of the UPSC because nobody knows what UPSC is going to ask, to be honest, right? But it will help you out. Why geography is important, right? The first question that comes to mind is when we prepare for science, we prepare for maths, we prepare for English. Are we prepared enough for the geography as well, right? So geography, in around 20 out of 100 question in NDA is from the geography section, including the environment and the dynamic portion. That consists around 80 marks. तो लगभग 80 marks जो है geography का होता है आपके NDA वाले GS पेपर में, right? CDS में it's around 20 plus minus 2 questions. Sometimes it's around 17, sometimes it's 21. अगर आप dynamic factor environment को add कर दे तो CAPF इट्स 15 to 17 के बीच में लैंड वो रेंज करता है, बिकॉज उसमें और भी चीजें होती हैं पेपर में, लाइक एप्टीट्यूड भी होता है, तो वहां पे थोड़ा सा वेटेज कम होता है, राइट? बट सीरियस CAPF में जो लेवल है वो सेम ही रहता है, बिकॉज दे ऑल आर कंडक्टेड बाय द UPSC. सो दैट कैन बूस्ट योर स्कोर, राइट? इट कैन एड एज ए बूस्टर. Let's suppose you are appearing for the CDS and you are able to solve around 8 to 9 questions of geography, right? So that is a big boost to your score, because ultimately majority of the students score from the science section in GS. CDS की GS वैसे भी टफ होती है, and if you are appearing for NDA, तो आप उसमें देख सकते हैं कि NDA में अगर आप 10 क्वेश्चन कर ले 20 में से, you have an edge. कितने मार्क्स का? 40 मार्क्स का. इन NDA we have एक क्वेश्चन का 4 मार्क्स होता है. 40 मार्क्स इज अ बिग डील. उनसे पूछिए जिन बच्चों का 340 आया हो इस बार या 345 आया हो, and they missed the written merit list by some margin, because this time cutoff has been on slightly higher note. Every year you can see the competition is increasing and people are aspiring too much along with the hard work. That means the competition, or you can say the cutoff, will definitely rise every year. So what we are going to cover in this course, so this will be completely UPSC simulated course where we'll be covering NCERTs. Of course, I am not saying that we'll be going class 6th NCERT first then 7th, no, because there are some things which are common in 6th, 8th and again in 10th or 11th, right? Latitudes, longitudes, physical geography. So we'll be covering physical geography, all points added from the NCERTs. We'll be covering Indian geography with addition of points from the NCERTs, that is the reference, apart from some dynamic points. So dynamic points जो recent अगर कुछ हुआ वो आपके notes में added होगा. So notes, that is lecture plus study notes, and the test will be there. Of course, this consists of all India test, right? You can say that कि जैसे हमने 2-3 चैप्टर खत्म किया, we'll have a test on that so that you can practice and you can check out where actually you stands apart from the notes. Notes are non-downloadable, आप उसको PDF में पढ़ सकते हो और assignments जो है वो आप डाउनलोड करके सॉल्व भी कर सकते हो, right? Exam oriented coverage, because I'm not going to cover it as per SSC point of view. I'm going to cover it as per this 3 exams point of view. So SSC वाले बच्चों के लिए नहीं है. Watch recording anytime, that means आपने live lecture attend किया, let's suppose, and बाद में recording भी देख सकते हो अगर आप चाहो. अगर आप live lecture किसी कारण से miss कर गए, if you miss the lecture, let's suppose you have some other task in the day, right, you can watch the recording as well. So there is no you can say limitation on the number of times you watch the lectures. You can watch it anytime till your exam. Let's suppose this course will be valid up till CDS February CDS exam. For NDA it will be valid till April. तो आप उस टाइम तक जितने मर्जी बार देखिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट? अच्छी बात है, आप रिजल्ट लाइए, हमारे लिए अच्छा है. स्टडी नोट्स, यस आई ऑलरेडी सेड दैट विल बी अपलोडेड. लेक्चर वाइज नोट्स, आज जो लेक्चर हुआ उसका हैंड आउट, विच वी से क्लास हैंड आउट्स, विल बी अपलोडेड इन द पोर्टल डीसी ऐप. आप चाहे फोन से एक्सेस करें या फिर लैपटॉप से या पीसी से, इट्स अप टू यू, राइट? We'll be discussing the MCQ assignments as well as the test, because I personally believe that discussion is the best thing of any course. Whenever you appear for any test, discussion has to be done in order to grab the maximum. Next, the questions, yes, that will not be easy. Of course, we'll be taking that from the reference book. These are framed, this takes effort. So this is not to keep you happy. You have to take the pain in order to gain the marks. That is the complete strategy, and we will be starting this in December, that is 1st December, and it will be ending, right? We'll be finishing this course by 25th of Jan. This will be done, right? Your geography part will be done. आप तब तक अपने एग्जाम के लिए you will be ready enough to write your exam so that you can perform well. But you know, if you want a straightforward answer, so can you guarantee that out of 2015 will be done? Nobody can guarantee. But I have confidence that you will be able to score 10 plus correct, right? Because UPSC is extreme. Survey. I cannot challenge UPSC कि हाँ हमारे पढ़ाने के बाद सब कुछ हो जाएगा. There are a lot of eminent personalities जिनको ज्योग्राफी बहुत आती है, but UPSC जब पूछती है तो बहुत कुछ पूछती है, right? But even if you score 50 to 60% in the geography section, that is an edge to your preparation, whether you are doing for NDA, CDS or any of the exam, right? So this course will be available online mode. For inquiries, or you can say to join, write to our WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp number or phone number, you can say. You can directly write at 771054890. We'll share you the details of the course. Of course the fee is minimal, काफी कम होगा फीस, तो फीस के बारे में आपको बहुत टेंशन नहीं लेना है, right? And everything is available online. You don't need to come out. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. All the best.